I will be using the book Max Likes Winter from the Piney Pals decodable book series. If you don't have this book, you can use any decodable book that focuses on the pattern I-consonant-E, long I sound. I'm going to be saying some words. I want you to use your ears and I want you to listen very carefully and tell me what sound is the same in each one of these words. I will say the word, you will echo. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Here we go. Bite, ice, line. What sound did you hear that was the same in each one of those words? That's right. You heard I. Let's get our mirrors and see what our mouth is doing when we say I. Grab your mirror, hold it up to your mouth and say I. What was happening? What was your mouth doing? You're right. Your mouth was open and it was smiling, and your tongue was towards the front of your mouth. Now, let's see if we can feel a buzzing or vibration. Go ahead and put your hand on your throat, and let's say the sound together. I. Did you feel that? So did I. So we know that I is a voice sound. And when we make that sound, our mouth is open and smiling, and our tongue is towards the front of our mouth. Nice job. Go ahead and put these away. Now, I need you to use your eyes because I'm going to write some words on the board, and I want you to look very carefully and tell me what two letters are just alike. You start looking closely because I'm going to start writing. Here I go. B-I-T-E, I-C-E, L-I-N-E. What two letters do you see that's just alike in both of these words? That's right. You see an I and an E in each of these words. Now, we need to look a little further because there's some other things we need to discover in these words. What do you see after the I and before the E? That's right, you see a T, and that's a consonant. And we know that I and E are vowels. Let's look at the next word. What do we see after the I and before the E? A C, and it's a consonant. And what do we see after the I and before the E? An N, and that's a consonant. So when you see I, consonant E, you need to know that that E, which is a vowel at the end of the word, is silent. E at the end of a word never makes a sound, but it always has an important job to do because it helps the vowel I say its own name, which is the long vowel sound, because we know vowels can make two sounds. So this E is telling the I to say its name, I. So when you see a vowel consonant E, the E will always be silent and the I will say its name, I. Today we are going to focus on I, consonant E. Let's read these words. Bite, ice, line. When you read the book, Max Likes Winter, you will see many I, consonant E words. And we know that when we see I, consonant E, the E at the end of the word is silent, and that I will make the long sound I, or it will say its name, which is I. We know that when we make the sound I, Our mouth is open and smiling. Our tongue is towards the front of our mouth, and we know that it's a voice sound. Thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, you've got this.